Going on, everybody? We're out here, beautiful Lake McBride in Solon, Iowa. Trying to do a little ice fishing today. It is January 15th and we got a 40-degree day to go off of out on the ice. It hasn't really built up a whole ton through the year, but it's holding up pretty nice to be able to get out and try to get on some nice crappie and bluegill. We were out here late last night and did pretty decent, so try to catch the afternoon and evening bite and see what we can find. Let's get on out there. Made our way out, popped a couple holes, sitting on surprisingly only about 12 feet. That's where we've been finding them this year so far. They've been a little picky, so we might have to work for them a little bit, start changing up some colors, changing up jigs, try some spoons out. But rocking and rolling, we're set up. Kind of hard to see, but we are marking some fish down there. So let's hope for the best, see if we can get on them again. Y'all, I've fished McBride so many times in my life. I've never seen this once. Not once have I seen this. That's a fat little perch. They're not supposed to be perching here. I'm happy to have you, but wow, where'd you come from, bud? There, guys, that wraps up the day. Toughed it out till just after dark. Getting pretty chilly. Cooled off real fast with the wind out there today. Did all right. Real hit and miss in spots. We had to jump around, but we got a few nice crappie, some really nice gills, and a real unicorn of a catch, that perch. I mean, you saw it earlier. I've never ever seen one of those come out of here. Got a hold of a couple of my buddies that have fished this their whole life. They've never seen anything like that come out of here. Somebody just must be throwing a few in, and I'm not real upset about it, I guess. But we're gonna head on home. We got a little cleaning to do. I'll show you guys some pictures of the final process and the final catch, and when it's all sealed up and packaged, ready for the freezer. It's gonna be some good eats.